Welcome to the enchanting Bana Hills, a vibrant fusion of nature's splendor and human creativity nestled atop the Truong Son Mountains in Vietnam. Here, the ethereal Golden Bridge stretches across the sky, the Alpine Coaster promises a thrilling ride, and the serene hiking trails invite exploration. Discover cultural landmarks, taste unique dining experiences, indulge in the fun-filled fantasy park, and get your adrenaline pumping with ziplining. Don't forget the aesthetic appeal for photography enthusiasts. Prepare for an adventure that promises a blend of tranquility, thrill, history, and natural beauty. Immerse yourself in the Bana Hills experience with these unique tips and tricks. Start your day early and treat yourself to a serene sunrise at the Golden Bridge. The early morning light paints a breathtaking view, and you get to enjoy the tranquility before the arrival of the tourist crowds. Craving some thrill? The Alpine Coaster is your ticket to an exciting ride through the mountains. You get to control your speed as you swoop down, taking in the stunning landscape. However, do remember to check if the coaster is operating before you plan your visit. For nature enthusiasts, Bana Hills offers tranquil hiking trails. While mountain biking may not be on the cards, hiking through the lush landscapes and exploring off-the-beaten-path areas can be equally adventurous. The trails around the French village and the gardens hide some scenic gems. Step into history with a visit to the Linh Ung Pagoda. Admired for its stunning architecture and serene atmosphere, the De Bay wine cellar, built by the French in 1923, offers a peek into ancient wine storage methods, adding a historical flavor to your adventure. When it comes to dining, why not try something different? Pack a picnic and find a quiet spot in Le Jardin d'Amour or another secluded area. This gives you a more personal and tranquil dining experience, surrounded by nature. Fantasy Park is a must-visit, offering a variety of attractions, from a 4D cinema to a haunted house and numerous rides. It's a great place to spend a day full of fun, especially if you're traveling with loved ones. If you're seeking an adrenaline rush, see if ziplining is available during your visit. It's an exciting way to experience the natural beauty of Bana Hills from a unique perspective. For photography enthusiasts, the golden hours are the best times for capturing stunning images. The perfect lighting and fewer crowds allow for unique photos of the Golden Bridge and other attractions. Finally, consider staying overnight at one of the hotels on Bana Hills. It allows you to experience the area when it is peaceful and quiet after the day trippers have left, offering a unique and tranquil experience. With these tips and tricks, you're all set to make the most of your Bana Hills adventure. As our journey through Bana Hills comes to a close, let's revisit the unique experiences it offers. From the serene sunrise at the Golden Bridge to the thrill of the Alpine Coaster, tranquil hiking trails, and historical exploration of Linh Ung Pagoda and De Bay wine cellar. Don't forget the unique dining experiences, fun-filled fantasy park, adrenaline-pumping ziplining, capturing the perfect shot during the golden hours, and the tranquility of an overnight stay. Embark on your Bana Hills adventure and create memories that will last a lifetime.